Hello viewers, today I am going to share with you unique style sarson ke saag recipe with fenugreek leaves. For making this recipe, I have taken small bunch of fenugreek leaves, separate the leaves from the stem, and a small bunch of mustard leaves. Combination of mustard leaves and fenugreek leaves will enhance the taste and flavor of the recipe. First of all, fold the bundle of mustard leaves in your left hand tightly and roughly chop the leaves. No need to chop it finely. In the same way, roughly chop the fenugreek leaves. Don't chop it finely, otherwise the taste will be bitter. Keep aside. Next, turn on the heat, put a pan, add 2 tablespoons rice. You can take any type of short grain aromatic rice for making this recipe. Turn to low heat and stir continuously over low flame until color change and it's fragrant like this. Allow it to completely cool, then add in a grinder jar. I am going to grind it with other 3 ingredients. First ingredient is cumin seed. Add half a teaspoon cumin seed. Second ingredient is chopped green chili. Add 2 to 3 chopped green chili. And the third and last ingredient is ginger. Add half-inch sliced ginger along with the roasted rice. Next, grind it coarsely. Don't make fine powder like this. Next, turn on the heat, put a pan, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add a medium size onion rings. Stir occasionally until color change. Next, I am going to add a dried red chili. Tear the red chili into small pieces and pour it. Mix well. Combination of dried red chili and onion enhance the taste and flavor of this recipe, so don't skip dried red chili. Next, add fenugreek leaves along with mustard leaves, but firstly add the fenugreek leaves. Spread it like this, and on top of fenugreek leaves add the mustard leaves. Spread it. Put a lid, cover and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, take off the lid. Both of these leafy vegetables have lot of vitamins. Next, add half a teaspoon salt and mix well. Turn to medium-high heat and stir continuously and press on the top like this. Next, I am going to add our previously prepared rice flour along with ginger, green chili and cumin. Add 2 tablespoons of this ground powder. Adding this ground powder will enhance the flavor. Put a lid, cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Give a good mix, well combine. See, our yummy mustard leaves recipe is almost done. Quick stir and turn off the flame. Our unique style mustard leaves recipe is done. Serve it with hot steamed rice or fulka roti. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Comment. Thanks for watching.